In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a table in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your page, prepare your table for sorting, apply the sort you want, and publish your changes so they stick. This is especially helpful when you're working with long lists, status logs, or any dataset where order matters. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to work with. Take a moment to scan the table so you understand which column you want to sort by, like name, date, status, or priority. If the table already looks clean and labeled, great. If it needs any adjustments, click Edit to enter the page editor. Editing mode is where you can make structural tweaks that make sorting reliable. Make sure your table has clear column headers. The header row should be the very first row, with concise labels like owner, due date, or score. Clear headers do two things. They make the table easier for teammates to read, and they help Confluence recognize each column properly for sorting. If your labels are vague or missing, rename them now so each column has a distinct, meaningful title. Next, click the table or click directly in the header cell of the column you want to sort. This action brings up the table toolbar or a column menu, depending on your Confluence setup. Look for the sort option. If it's available, you'll see choices to sort the column. If you don't see it, double check that you clicked the header cell, not a regular data cell, and confirm that the top row is formatted as a header row. Choose ascending or descending order based on what you need. Ascending is A to Z for text, earliest to latest for dates, and smallest to largest for numbers. Descending is the reverse, Z to A, latest to earliest, or largest to smallest. If you're sorting dates or numbers, make sure the entries are consistent. Mixed formats can lead to unexpected results. After you select your sorting preference, the table should immediately rearrange to reflect that order. When you're satisfied, publish the page to save your changes. Publishing ensures the sorted order is visible to everyone and persists when someone revisits the page. After publishing, review the table one more time to confirm the sort looks correct from the viewer's perspective. If anything seems off, return to edit, verify the headers and data consistency, reapply the sort, and publish again. That's it. Your Confluence table is now neatly sorted and ready to share.